Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. And today we want to learn how I make a design for my church last Sunday. So I made a one visible design last Sunday. I want to show you how I did it so that maybe one day you come across it. Maybe I post it somewhere and you saw it, and I never dropped the video on how I come up with it. So it's gonna be good. So let's quickly learn how to design such a flyer now. So it's just a simple one. And for you that is just maybe you are a newbie and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, click the subscribe button now and turn off the notification for another new video. So once I drop another video, you will be notified that I drop a video. So let's quickly go to that. As you can see, this is a pixellab interface. So this particular background you are seeing here, we have to change it. So come here, look for a background that okay, this one is okay, you use this one. Let me show you the number of this. So from this one you can get the number of the color, this side. Click on it, then after you click on it, just leave it at that. Then press on this one. Let me show you. Press on this one again, this particular one. Press on it, then this is the number of the design, of the color rather. This is the number of the color. This one, this is the number of the color here. So you just press on this one. If you want to write the number of any color, press on this one. This one, it will edit it. Sorry. So you press on this one, it will edit it. Then just click on it, then type the number there. So that's just it. So that is the number of the color. Then for the second one, click on this one too. Then click on this one. This is the number FFF. So that is the number of that is the name of that color. So this is just it. So let's bring the pictures that we want to use. Let's bring in the picture that we want to use. Not here. Not here. This one. Sorry guys. Let me go to download. I think okay, this is it. This is the picture. So we have to do a little retouch on the picture. Just a little retouch. Then you come here, come to color filter. So this one is okay like this. It's okay like this. Then you lock it. Just give it a lock. And come here again. Let's bring out some. Let me on my data, so I can be able to bring the tools we want to use. Let me use this one. This one is okay. Then let's turn it. Let me change it so that you can see it very well. It's okay. Let me just change the color once and for all. Let me change it to black. Then go to shadow. That is the reason I don't want to be on my data once I make unnecessary message will be dropping. So this one is actually okay like this. Then what next? Then you write the text. Worship. So this one is okay. Change it to capital letter. Bring it here. Enlarge it. Come to fonts. Find fonts. And to use one nice fonts like that. This one is good. So it's okay. Then this one is okay. Copy it again. Shape. So what do we do on this case? Come here, shape, copy the shape first, copy it, then it has been a 2 shape, then come here, this one, drag it up like this, drag this one up like this again, drag it up, then come here, click on this one first, lock this, merge it together. Then second, merge this one together. So it has given us what we want. So just stretch it like this. Just like this. Then let's go to color. Let me just use one color. Go to gradient there. Let me just use this color for the sake of tutorial. Let me just use this. Yes, this color is okay. Or let's just edit the color. Let me just edit it this way. Okay. The second one, let's go to color again. We're using the same color. So it's good like this. Come here again, then write press and click OK. Bend it this way. Go to fonts and change it. You can download all these fonts, and I think I've dropped a video on how you can download a font and extract it to pixellab. So all these fonts, just write them down in case you want to use them. Write them and go and download it. The sites where you can download is there. So let me choose this one. Then for this, let me choose another font for it. Okay. Then let me use just a small letter font. This one is okay. Yep, this one is okay like this. Then let me go to date. Let me just write 24. Five. 0. That's 2023. 2023. Let me change the font size. That one is not good enough. Let me just use Roboto. So much like that font. Let me use this one. This one is okay. Then reduce it. This one you have to adjust this one very well. It's okay like this. Then copy it and write RCCG. RCCG. Place it here. Actually, this design is a very simple one. So come here and bring in the RCCG logo that we have already downloaded. Then we go to download. So this is it. Reduce it. As you can see, this is making sense now. Bring it like this. So this one, bring it like this. So it is okay, then copy this one. Pastor A. We change this color. We change this color to color green. Color green. So it's okay. This color is okay there. Make sure it is being put in its center. So what next? Copy it again. Then the church address RCCG Fem Foundation along Ikinu Road. Oshun. Oshogbo. Osun State. Osun State. Kobo Junction. This is good. So you come here and make those letters be at center. This is actually good there. What next? Make sure it is being set to the center, so it is center on there. Let's come back to this particular black background that we use. Then we come here, we go to the inner shadow, then you choose color green. Then you choose color green. Yeah. Okay. It is good this way. It is actually okay. Then what next? Come here. You come here, come to shape. You choose color green again. Choose color green. Yeah, almost done. We are almost done now. So So this is a very simple design. So it should not even take your time at all. Copy it, bring it here. Let me just roll it this way so that I can see what I'm doing very well. So this is actually good. So we are done. Then you click this one, copy it, bring it here with make sure most of your right up, make it be at be a capital letter. Copy it again. Join us. Actually, after finishing with this design and I post it on our platform, they really like it. So what next? You come here, click on this one. I want to bring another design, so I want another background to make it splashy. So what next? Come here. Okay, so you come here, I'll give it an enlargement, then send it to back. Send to back. Can you see now? You have sent it to back. So go to opacity, reduce it. Reduce the opacity. Let me just check it very well. Yep, this is good. Reduce the opacity. So we are good. So the next thing is click OK, then save it. Click on this one. First, save as a project. Always save yourself save your work as a project first. Should in case you want to make any change, save as a project. You can write any name there. So for you to just save it. Save as a project. Then secondly, save as image. Number one, click here. Save as click PNG. Then number two is either you use Ultra. If you use any of the any other one, your design may just be scattered. So it's either you use Ultra and or very high for a clean design. So after you use any of this, mostly I always use Ultra. So click on save to gallery. So that you share. Once you press share, it will automatically save on your phone and direct it to any social media you want to share it to. So first save to gallery. Thanks for watching and God bless you, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Please like, comment and share. Thank you. God bless you.